A record spike in cases that's not really sinking in at this diner or elsewhere.
Oh, we're having fun, not worrying about it, and enjoying the weather.
Even as some look at the surge with worry. Like this bar owner, who after reopening for mere days, shut his dining room back down again.
It's starting to make me nervous. I was having conversations with my staff. To me, it just didn't seem like it was worth the revenue we were getting.
He made the call ahead of the governor of Texas, ordering all bars in the state shut again. Florida, with a new record of nearly 9,000 cases in one day, also backtracking, stopping booze flowing in restaurants and bars as officials there and in other states across the southern and western U.S. grapple with the crisis. An urgency underlying the first coronavirus task force briefing in nearly 2 months, with a message that didn't feel so urgent.
The truth is, we did slow the spread. We flattened the curve.
The vice president calling it good news that half of the new infections are among young people. And he repeated a line heard earlier this week.
Well, if we didn't test, we wouldn't have cases. But we have cases because we test.
We want the American people to understand it's almost inarguable that more testing is generating more cases.
The warnings about gatherings came from a usual source. Careful not to blame people for being out and about, the country's top infectious disease specialist had a plea, particularly for young Americans: stay home.
You have an individual responsibility to yourself, but you have a societal responsibility.
That responsibility doesn't seem to extend to the Trump administration. When asked why large campaign rallies are still going ahead, the vice president said even a health crisis doesn't eclipse constitutional rights like freedom of assembly. Salima Shivji, CBC News, Washington.